Howdy boys, girls, cats, and squirrels, SoCloseToast, and welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Keep up those comments. Let me know of videos to check out for the future. Today, I have not seen this at all. I don't know how. It's from 2015. I definitely would have been like, it would have been in my realm to see this, but this is kind of an old school video. 1 beatboxers, 20 sound effects. Let's waste no more time and see what's going on here. It's like that trend where it's one person singing 20 different styles of music over one song. I see what's happening. That's clean. That was my first beat that I ever made, was the heartbeat. I only beatboxed like that. That's all I could do in the beginning. Hey! You can't really use that sound. You can't use that sound in much. Because it's so obnoxious. Wait, what's the robot? What am I doing? I sound like a monkey. Why is mine so much higher? Hold on, maybe I have to act like a robot. But see, mine's more like... Robo monkey coming to your neighborhood ready to smash shit up. That's pretty nice. What is that, dude? Okay, when I was thinking his frog's nice, like his frog's nice. I don't know, but I mean, you could just dude, that's gotta hurt, right? Like right up in here, up into like your. Okay. That's an alien? Little E.T. phone home. What's this? I like it more. almost got right on what he was doing. Woo. I'm being so annoying. I'm beatboxing like over him. I'm sorry, guys, but like all the sounds he's making, I'm like, ooh, can I do it? Can I do it?
Hey guys, thanks for watching my beatbox sound effects video.
Well done, dude. I really enjoyed that. That was fun to like beatbox along with and try and like figure out, oh wait, can I do this sound? I don't know, because sometimes I forget like if I can even do a sound because I don't think about it when I'm beatboxing. I'm just kind of like doing it. But when you map it out like that for the actual sound effect, it's like, oh, can I do that? That was probably the most annoying video for everybody to watch. Is like, yo, Toast, shut up, dude. We're just trying to hear him. But if you guys are in the same lane as me and you guys were trying to beatbox along and trying to make those sounds, well, then drop that L. Because I don't want to be the only one. All right, y'all, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. I had way more fun with this than I thought I was going to. That was pleasantly surprising. Well done, well done. All right, y'all. Peace out. Shake 'em and bake 'em.